Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo with Midjourney. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. There are actually two ways of doing this. First is doing it in an easy way and second is doing it in a more advanced way. So in an easy way, you would want to put in a chat /imagine and type in the prompt the description of your logo. For example, a coffee shop logo. So go ahead and search that up, and that is the easiest way of doing it. Now for a more advanced way of doing it, you would want to go to ChatGPT and ask for a Midjourney prompt for a coffee shop logo. And you will get now a more in-depth description here. After that, just copy the descriptions you got in GPT and paste it in your server. Just type /imagine and paste it inside the prompt. The photos will be generated to you just like what you see in here. Loading the pictures will take some time, so just give it a little patience. And you are now good to go. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.